Remember that thing I told you that happened yesterday? Well, it didn't happen.
You didn't cancel the fabric order from Taiwan?
Okay, two things didn't happen. Remember I told you that someone made out with Ralph Lauren in the copy room?
In English vocabulary we will learn the word fabric. It means a cloth made by weaving, knitting, or felting fibers, woolen fabrics. Also means the texture of the woven, knitted, or felted material, cloth of a soft, pliant fabric. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce fabric, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to fab. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how fabric is used in real life.
You didn't cancel the fabric order from Taiwan?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.